Hello guys, welcome. We have another item to unbox today, and I just received this parcel on the day of my birthday today, July 26, and I'm so excited. And this parcel is coming from the US, and we are all excited. I know you're all excited to know what's inside this box. Let's open it. So guys, let's open now this parcel and let's see what's inside the box. Okay, so here, this is how you open it. Okay, so are you all ready? Because I'm ready. Oh my god, I see what's inside the box. Oh my god. So first is I have, wow, my customized skin. See, here's my channel. I ordered one, but they have given me two. Oh, thank you, Insta360. So it's like buy one take one customized skin with my channel name there. And I have, that's all in the box, the Insta360 Go 3 camera, and this is the 128 variant. Okay, so what we have here, says here lightweight and portable. It's hands-free POV. We'll show you later how to use it. Flow state stabilization, waterproof, up to 5 meters or 16.4 feet, and it shows voice control 2.0, and it has a magnetic mounting system, and it's a 2.7K video resolution, and 360 horizon lock, multifunction action pad, I'm sorry guys, it's an AI powered editing. So this one you can use it on the app of Insta360. Okay, it's very tiny but mighty. Okay, we'll show you more guys. We will open this one now. So guys, I have already here. So I have pre-opened this one. Let's see. So this is the cover, the skin for the camera itself. So I have requested to customize this, and by the way, I ordered this in US, so it took me around 15 to 20 days before it arrived here in UAE. So because they said that it took time because I have made this customized skin. So that will really add up to the waiting time before it arrives here in UAE. Okay, so I have it here. That's 2 pieces. So this one, for the customized skin, it will cost you around $11. Yeah, but because here in UAE you cannot have this customized, so I just have it customized, so at least it will be, when I'm doing a vlog, so they can see my channel. Alright, so let's just put it aside. Okay guys, let's open and let's check what's inside the box. Okay, oh my god, first is you will be greeted with this tiny camera. So if you notice, it is there and it's not moving because why? It's magnetic guys. So once I flip this, I get it. So once I put it back, it's magnetic. Okay, so this is the main camera, It's actually bigger than the Go 2. See here, so it's really new. There are stickers the back again. Oh my god, it's really magnetic, guys. So we'll just put it aside and let's check what's inside the box. Okay, all right, what you have here is user guide, manual, how to use and all these things. Put it aside. Let's check what's inside this one. Wait, I'll close it first. Okay, so what you have it here is you have the USB type cable, and what else inside? I think there's still a lot inside, and okay, all right. So this one, this is the thing that you put in the necklace to make an angle. So I will show you later on how to use this, but this is using in this necklace strap that you can use with your Go 3. Alright, and with the silica gel, warranty card, and quick start guide. And I think they also include some stickers, not really sure, but mostly user guide. Alright, so much of this user guide here. Let's just put it aside. And what else we have inside the box? Okay, first thing, guys, this is the one that you can mount on your cap. Okay, then you can stick this here. It's really magnetic. And next, this is the necklace strap. So you have mounting options here if you want to do it like this. And it's really the magnet is really strong, guys. It's really strong. See, so you can make sure that this is really safe. It's really strong. See, so the good thing for this one is this is adjustable. So if you want to, you know, adjust it, how you will wear it on your neck, if it's too long or it's too small, it's up to you. This is the one you use here, the magnet, if you want to, you know, make an angle going up or going down. Okay, so this thing here. And the next one here is the mounting for like in any surface, mostly used in the car. Okay, so there is a, one second here, so there's a sticker. Okay, and the good thing about this one, this is washable. So once it's dirty, you can just clean with water, make it let it dry, and then it will stick again. So this is reusable. So if you're not using, you can you have this cover and just close it like that. Right, next, this is a mounting tool. So this is very nice. So it has, you can bend any sides here, going here, you can do, and it's really tight, so you can make sure that you will have your perfect angle. And you know this side here, what is the use of this one? To put your Insta360 Go 3 here. So it's magnetic, so it's locked already, so it will not fall. You can make sure that it will not fall. So, and you cannot remove this by, you know, pulling this one. There is there's a release button here to remove it. You just need to press this one here and it will release. Okay, how cool is that? Alright, so next, guys, is we have the action pod. Okay, So this is the action pod, guys. This hole here is where you put this camera. There you go. Okay, and it will not fall. It will not fall. Okay, so because to remove that, there is this release button. Press it and hold it here. Hold this one. It will release. Okay, you know, I'm so afraid that I might remove this cap here in the lens, because it's really tight. If you push it or if you remove, it's really tight. Okay, so this is the main camera, and this is also like you can use this as a monitor once you remove this and use this as your main camera. And this one is your guide. It's your guide camera, like the guide view, I mean. So down, you can also use this. Here is fit. It's also magnetic. See, it will not remove. So it's really secure. You can make sure that it will not fall. And to remove this one, you need to press this release button both sides, and there you go. All right. So what's inside, or what are the buttons here in this action pod? First, you have the power button here, up, and you have the I'm sorry guys, this is the power button here, the side, and this is the menu button. This one is to take a photo, or if you want to take a video, you can have. And on this other side is the release button, and this one is the USB Type-C charging port. Alright, so down is the magnetic, and this is the screen. Okay, I did not remove yet the sticker. I just want to check that later on. And the good thing is you can do this, guys. So if you want a selfie, if you want to see yourself vlogging, this is the perfect camera for you. We will explore more on this camera in my next video. I hope you love this video and give it a thumbs up. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Again, this is Travel with Jason saying ciao while you can, because life has no rewind. Thank you, guys.